Hey there peeps, Mew here, and today we're gonna make some grape jelly. I love doing my nails. I not so low-key do my nails a lot, and sometimes post them on Instagram. I'm a huge fangirl of SimplyNailogical, not just because she's such a hilarious nail art channel, but the values she supports and being an inspiration to me. Today, I'll be trying to recreate her mixing the Holo Taco Holoday Glitters together video where she mixed all of her holiday collection colors together to get this drool-worthy grape purple jelly color. And you know I love my PBJs. I've been obsessing over this color for months, and I finally got all I need, plus the courage to see if I can recreate this jelly-full color. To do this, I needed one Holo Taco Holiday Collection set, yes, I bought an extra, 5 empty bottles of nail polish for our mixture. I pre-cleaned my empty glossy and super glossy taco bottles using acetone, and later will clean the bottles from the new set. 1 beaker of 100 milliliters, it'd be preferred. 1 mixing utensil, I use chopsticks. A plastic wrap so you can protect your nail polish mixture while you clean the bottles. And definitely lots and lots of patience. So let's get to it. First, we're going to be emptying all of the bottles of the Holiday Holo Taco collection in our handy dandy beaker. Enjoy the hollowness! And we're starting off with Rainbow Snow. Oh my goodness, look at all that holo! Now, let's do some party punch. Our favorite girl is here, Chloe Rose. Look at her shine! Let's get some frostnite up in here. last but not least, that midnight spark. And with that last drop, we have mixed 5 bottles of the Holiday Holo Taco collection together, and just look at how amazingly hollow it is. I can't just stop looking at it. It is so pretty, so majestic, and we're gonna mix it. And oops, I forgot that I actually dropped metal balls, the ones that are mixing inside of your nail polish. You know those little balls that you hear whenever you shake your nail polish? So I'm trying very hard to get them out of here, but I'm also dazed and like in awe of how sparkly this nail polish mixture is. And I was having a hard time finding them, and just look at that sparkle. After struggling for a bit, I did get the metal balls out. So thankful, but now is the star of the show. Let's mix up this polish. You can already start seeing the hints of purple on the top layer. It's just so gorgeous. Look at it. It's just the most perfect color there ever was. Yes, there's beautiful colors everywhere, but look at this beautiful combination. It's such a unique purple color. The glitters from all the different polishes definitely stand out here. The party punch, the rainbow snow, frostlight, midnight spark, all of them. You can see them in every single drop. Like, it's just so beautiful. Like, I can't even, I love it so much. I wore it on my nails and I just can't stop staring. Look at it. Like, oh. Mix and enjoy the sparkle. Oh my gosh. It's too much. It's so beautiful. And now, the most important part. Filling up this bottle. This was one of my glossy taco bottles. I was able to clean out all of the polish inside of it using acetone. And now, we fill it up. Look at that pour. Well, I I drip it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Drip. Now to cap it, I did also add 2 of the metal balls that I got from the nail polish bottles just to make sure that whenever I shake it, the polish stays nice. I am still in awe in how beautiful this color is. I'm so happy that I was able to recreate the mixing video that SimplyNailogical had made because I really wanted this color so bad. So I'm just so happy to have it. I've worn it on my nails. They look gorgeous. The depth of it is amazing. I'm like low-key thinking to buy another set and making a few more bottles. And also, disclaimer, I was only able to fill 4 bottles of polish because I should have used a smaller container for the beaker, and so that's a learning experience. And hopefully I can pre-clean bottles beforehand, but definitely covering them up with plastic, it helped the mixture stay pretty good. The exposure to air is really bad for nail polish, and I'll probably have to use nail polish thinner at some point. But I have these 4 gorgeous bottles on my nail polish rack, and they are gorgeous. I'm just so happy. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this video? Would you like me to try anything else? I'm just so happy that I did this, and it just came out so wonderful. And I can't get the smell of nail polish out of my head. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, meow to meow.